Hey guys, Chris here, we're giving Project Nerf, and today we're going to talk about the newest commission that we just did. Let's take a look. Alright guys, we just finished it up, and what we've got here is a pretty unassuming looking Khaos. Do forgive the battery door, that one's mine. He forgot to send it along when he sent his blaster. But we did a few things to this. It is definitely not an unassuming Khaos. So this has been completely rewired for 3S LiPo. We swapped the pusher motor with a Neo Hellcat to get some super speed out of this blaster, really get it back in the game. And then here at the bottom underneath the magazine, hopefully you guys can see it, sticking down there, we wired an additional XT60 to make it more easily compatible with the Out of Dark's Proton Pack. So, enough talking about it. Let's get outside and see what she can do. Alright, hope you guys know I love you. We've got this thing set up with its stock magazine because we've designed it so that a standard 3S LiPo can go in the tray and you can run it off its regular mag. So, I really do hope you guys know I love you because I'll be picking up rival balls for a month. But anyway, here we go. And that was 40. Let's see how she handles a proton pack. What do you think? Alright guys, as you can see, I've got it set up with the proton pack and the Khaos mag adapter, which Luke does sell in his shop. So, she's ready to go anyway. Watch the shed and let's see what it does. Works. And yeah, I'll be picking up rival balls for the next month and a half. Let's go inside and talk about it. Yeah, guys, how about that rate of fire? Definitely upgrading the pusher motor in your Khaos makes a big difference. I don't know how many or how fast exactly it was shooting, probably between 20 and 25 balls a second, which is just about all that the proton pack can keep up with continuously. And put a guess in the comments below, guys, how many I fired on the proton pack. I did, in fact, count them as I put them away. It took me 45 minutes to find all of them. Yes, I love you. Guys, I could not be more pleased with this blaster. I certainly hope my commissioner likes it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, too. So, coming up here in the near future, the very next video you're going to get is, in fact, going to be the prize blaster for Lorenzo. You guys know him as El Perez 5, the winner of our holiday sweater contest. We've got that Auto Raven just about buttoned up now, so we'll be showing it off a little bit before I send it out to him. And then I've got some pretty big news regarding the channel, good, bad, and ugly, if you guys understand my meaning. So we'll talk about that here in the very near future. If you haven't done it yet, guys, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications. We've got some cool stuff coming up here in the future. Hit that like button. That really helps us out a lot. In the description box below, guys, I will put links to our Facebook, links to the shop, and, of course, the fan mail address if you guys want to send something in. Till next time, this is Chris for Project Nerf saying, have a blast. Insane.